Ready to unlock your earning potential on Medium as a Pakistani writer? Let's jump into how you can use Stripe, even with the challenges of international payments. First, understand that Stripe isn't directly available in Pakistan, so you'll need to establish a Stripe account through a country where it is supported, typically using a registered business or trusted partner abroad. This usually involves setting up a company in a country like the US, UK, or Singapore. Then, while setting up your Stripe account, ensure the business and banking information you use is linked to that overseas entity, not your personal Pakistani details. Next, be mindful of currency conversion. Stripe will likely process your Medium earnings in USD, so you'll need a way to convert that to Pakistani rupees. Explore options like international bank transfers or services specializing in cross-border payments, keeping an eye on exchange rates and fees. Important: stay compliant with Pakistani financial regulations, report all earnings to the relevant tax authorities, and ensure you adhere to any rules regarding international income. Consulting with a financial advisor experienced in cross-border transactions is highly recommended. On Medium, link your verified Stripe account to your partner program settings. Double-check that the connected account is the one you created with your overseas business details. And that's it. You're now set to receive payments from Medium through Stripe. Remember to stay informed about changes in regulations and Stripe's policies. Happy writing and earning.